Well, I've got a couple of kit ideas for you to put together to sell. I've already tested these and they were very popular, so I need to make some more, so I thought I would show you them. This little house mould comes with actually 6 moulds, but I do them in sets of 3 because it makes them more affordable. And these little gnome moulds come with a little mushroom as well, and they work really well together. I'll tell you how much I sell them for and what I add to them as well. So I've got my resin-crete mixed up, and because I needed quite a lot, I mixed up quite a lot. And I'm using the normal time cure for this one as well, because I don't need it to have a longer cure time. And I'll fill those up. Give this one a bit of squidgy-widgy because it gets caught in the little hat if not. And then I'll leave them a few seconds. I'll let some bubbles come up and then I will fill them right to the top. These ones, because I cut the mould down, because I like it to have individual separate houses where possible, all I've done is pop them in a glass like this or in a plastic mug, and then I can fill them up from there. And they won't take too long to cure up now. They'll probably cure up in about 30 minutes, but I will leave them a whole hour before I finish them off. And then I'll show you how much I cost them out at, how much resin-crete I use to do all these, and what I will sell them for. Thought I'd share this with you. I am so clumsy. I knocked one over, so I'm going to have to mix some more up. But I want you to know I am so clumsy and I make mistakes and I knock things over all the time. So if ever you do it, know that we all do it. These have all cured now, and I have to be totally honest, I have knocked this one over about 4 times since I've done it. So if it's not broken, it'll be a miracle. And then all you need to do is remove them, and look how brilliant those little houses have come out. And again, another one really come out well, and that one is excellent. So the little houses have all come out fine, and I will tell you in a sec how much I'm going to price these kits up for. So let's take the gnomes out. So they've all demolded really, really well. There's no bubbles on them anywhere. They're lovely and smooth, and that one didn't break. And I think that is a testament to how good resin-crete is. They're lovely and white. I love the little mushrooms, so cute. And what I provide with these now, I used to just provide them as they were, but I buy these now. And again, I'll link these in the description below. And it comes with the little pots and a little brush. And then I just fill these up with acrylic paint. Fairly easy to do. I don't use a really cheap acrylic paint because I want to make sure that whatever they've got in there is going to be of a decent quality and I know works well with the resin-crete kits that I'm doing. So I don't want it too watery. And I've found they sell so much better now with the paints in them, and you can actually charge that little bit more for them as well because they're getting a much better added value. And it doesn't take long to fill those up like that. There's the little brush. I normally tape the little brush to the top like that, so it's just in position, and then I will bag them up. Then I'll wrap each piece in bubble wrap and pop them in a bag, but I always have a set available to be seen on the front of my stall or wherever I'm selling them. So let's go to how I'm going to price these up, these sets. So I used resin-crete, I used a whole bag, so I round it up, so that's £20. Regardless whether it's pounds, dollars or whatever, it's exactly the same. Time I took to make these, I made these all in 30 minutes. So I would charge £15 on top of that. Paints cost me about 25 pence. So the pot and the brush, they cost me actually 25 pence each. So it's nothing, that is really quite low. And the packaging costs me 30 pence. So the bubble wrap and the bag and the label that goes on the front. So in total, it cost me £35 and 80 pence to make all 6. And because that's 2 separate sets, all I need to do is divide that by 2, and that works out at £17.90 per set. I've already accounted for my time, so I've already got that back. But I now need to make a decent profit on those, so £17.90. So I will now sell these out at £28 per set, and so that will give me a profit of £10 and 10 pence per set. And they will sell no problems at all like that, with those brushes in them, little label on them, and showing them off. And I have quite a few sets now that I sell, so people have quite a variety of things to buy. A lot of people have come back and bought more sets. A lot of people have contacted me and said, what sets have you got available now? So they really are selling quite well. A great little fun idea to do with your kids and for them to keep and cherish. Hope you've enjoyed this video, found it useful. Please boop that like button, hit that subscribe button, and check out my other videos on some other sets that I make that sell really, really well. Links for everything that I've used are in the description below. Be sure to check out the video that's coming up next on what other sets I make, because I think you'll really enjoy that and how much I charge for them. If you'd like to buy me a coffee just to say thank you for helping you and supporting you and to support me, then the link for that is in the description below. Take care, enjoy your resin. Bye.